welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below. On the menu today, and as you can see here, really beautiful, simple pasta. We're going to use some eggplants, tomatoes, cream, garlic. We've got some other lovely flavours in there. It's really easy to do. Nice sort of midweek dinner or snack. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. 1 can or tin of plum tomatoes. Here I've got some cream, what we call a single cream or cooking cream. Let me just show you that there. In America you call that something different. I'll leave a link about that below actually. Some parmesan cheese, some oregano, some green pesto, touch of garlic, some tomato puree, concentrate or paste, onions and eggplant, which I've cut really nice and small. And of course we're going to use pasta. Get your pasta ready. You can use any type you like. I'm using a small penne. Okay, so I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower. Could be using olive oil if you wanted. Just going to get those onions in. That oregano or another dried herb that you want to use. A little bit of garlic, chopped garlic. And our eggplant, like I say, cut mine really nice and small. I think it works nicely like that. Some black pepper. We'll get a little touch of salt in there. I'm still using this pink Himalayan thing. I'm digging this at the moment, so I think I'm going to stick with it. Above medium heat, let's go for about 4 minutes. So just get a little bit of colour onto our eggplant and onions. And now I'm going to drop in that can of tomatoes. And I just roughly with a knife just chop those. Now in goes that tomato paste or tomato puree or concentrate, whatever you call it. That little bit of pesto, that can go in now. Using a green pesto. If you wanted, a touch of chili now could work. Now what we want to do is get this going for about 6 or 7 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. If you fancied it, a drop of white or red wine in this could work. There we go, that's come together really nicely and quite quickly. Of course, with a pasta tomato sauce, you can cook this forever really. Just try and do it nice and quick today. Right, simply, let's get in that cream now. I'm using this kind of runny cream. You could be using a thick cream if you want, any cream, it all works the same. We're going to drop some grated parmesan cheese in there. We're going to give this a mix. Keep the heat on it just for about 2 minutes now. Stirring, you're going to get this beautiful colour. Then we're going to grab our pasta and I'm going to throw my pasta in. You could of course just be, if you wanted, serving it on top of some pasta, the sauce, or on the side. This would also work really well in a jacket potato or something like a baked potato. I'll be back in about 2. There we go, that's come together so well. Beautiful colour, nice consistency. In goes my penne. Now my pasta's already cooked, so I want to get some heat on, through, in, on and around. So I'm going to stir this about for about 2 to 3 more minutes in the sauce, then it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon below for notifications, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love to you. Bye bye.